Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions. The securities and stocks quoted here are for illustration only and are not recommendatory.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty continued to trade in range where the supports, as discussed last time, are placed at 24,500 and resistances are placed at 24,750. Till the time Nifty spot does not give an early close either above 24,750 or below 24,500, it will be futile to actually play for a trade. One can always play for 50-60 point scalping, but beyond that, I don't see a trade getting built up which would be lucrative. Even option writers are getting more and more confident on these strikes. So if you look at option chain, 24,500 is witnessing comfortable selling. Rather, one can also say it is witnessing incremental selling. On the other hand, 24,800 call option and higher strikes are witnessing intense selling pressure as well. So that is the reason why we are witnessing a range bound mood kind of coming in. Bank Nifty is also not supporting. It's also been trading in range 54,000 being immediate resistance area. 54,500 is going to be the next resistance area. So it's more of a range bound mode for Bank Nifty as well. Even other major sectors, something like Nifty IT, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Auto, they have also been lackluster. So there's no push that is being given by sectors or large cap stocks as well, and that is keeping the markets in check. Broader markets are faring a bit better, but overall the sentiment remains range bound. US markets actually closed 80 bips higher. Dow Jones was flat, but Nasdaq and S&P were quite strong. However, GIFT Nifty is not pointing towards similar kind of performance. It's still showing 2 points cut as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a flattish note. But I don't think we are going to see a pressure because when the markets are very strong in the US, the chances are that we may see some spikes sort of coming in. Whether that would be fruitful for us, I don't think so, because 24,750 is going to be key resistance to watch out for. Sector-wise also, we are witnessing a muted response, but Nifty Pharma, Nifty PSU Bank continues to look good, and one can try to spot buying opportunities here. Market breadth yesterday was slightly positive. Number of stocks hitting 50-week high was also quite robust. So on that front, I think the broader markets are likely to do well compared to Nifty Index for the next few trading sessions. That will be from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.